This very interesting topic today. How to make our brain healthy and strong forever. And there is a secret behind that. Our ancient munis and yogis have practiced this art and they have lived a happy and healthy life. Your brain is the boss of your body. That is why it requires proper nutrition, oxygen, and blood. But in today's time, people are facing a lot of stress, too many responsibilities, stress, depression issues, and that is why it is affecting their mental health badly. If you have applied this technique correctly, your life will be changed forever. Retention of breath or holding the breath inside the body. Retention means we are holding our breath for few seconds or few minutes. Two kinds of kumbhaks are majorly used. One is internal kumbhak, other is external kumbhak. When you hold your breath after inhalation, that is called internal kumbhak. When you hold your breath after exhalation, that is called external kumbhak. Today we will know how to increase the supply of oxygen in your brain. When you are holding the breath, you are cutting supply of oxygen in your brain. When you hold for long time, the carbon dioxide started to increase. In that case, your brain sends a strong signal to the circulatory system for maximum oxygen supply. And that is how kumbhak works. After you start your breathing, the maximum oxygen is carried out to the brain. Your blood, which carries oxygen to the brain, starts increasing regularly. Your navel chakra is the energy center of the body, where all 72,000 nadis are emerging and they are spreading in all parts of the body, which carries all the prana through the organs. That is why you must hold your breath in your navel center. While you are holding breath, you are also cutting the flow of thoughts in your mind. The thoughts which are always flowing, making turbulence in your mind and body. So those who are facing stress, depression, anxieties, panic disorders, they must hold their breath. Second, your brain gets enough supply of oxygen as well as blood, and its functionality improves a lot. It remains healthy for a long time. So you take better decisions, your memory sharps. There are some restrictions as well. Those who are having high blood pressure, high cholesterol issues should not practice kumbhaks. If you are asthmatic, please avoid it. If you are a beginner, hold your breath for 15 to 30 seconds only. All the deep breathing pranayams where you inhale, exhale long, such as Bhramari pranayam, Ujjayi pranayam, Omkar pranayam, Nadi Shodhan pranayam. You can use kumbhaks effectively. Next time when you feel that your memory is not good, you are not easy to remember lot of things, your brain remains exhausted, so stay blessed.